What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream and also how to video chat with your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. And it's really easy to do. I have my glasses on right this moment. You can see I have them on right now. There we go. Now, just to let you know, currently at the time of making this video chat only works in WhatsApp and on Facebook Messenger, but it works exactly the same way, but I'll show you both apps. So go into your chat on Facebook Messenger and in the top right, hit the video call button. And immediately you're gonna see right there, the icon. I can tap on that and then I just need to double press the capture button on top of the glasses in order to see what my glasses will see. So now I'm at the view of seeing my glasses and that person can see what's on my glasses as well. And if I want to get out of that, I can just swipe this down to close that out. But it's very, very simple on how to get that. They can see it and it works good. Now I'll show you WhatsApp. Same thing, just go into the WhatsApp chat that you're interested in, hit the video call button, and immediately you're gonna be able to tap the glasses and it's gonna tell you need to double press the capture button. So I'm gonna double press that. And in just a moment, now they can see exactly, again, what I can see. They haven't picked up, well, they will now, but you can see, they can see what I can see. They can see my hands and everything. And it works pretty much flawlessly in terms of what you see. It's not always the clearest compared to the cameras in your camera, but it still works really easily and really well. Now, what about if you want to go live? Well, first we'll try out Instagram. You're gonna hit this plus sign. After you hit the plus sign, you're gonna go over to where it says live. And then all you're gonna do here is you can see live stream from your glasses. So I'm just gonna tap that. It's gonna say continue. I'm gonna hit allow. I'm gonna hit continue and it's connecting. Double press the capture button on top of the glasses. I've done that and there it goes. Now, when I go live, it will automatically show everybody what I see through my glasses. I could walk around somewhere. I could be pretty much anywhere. It is seriously amazing how easy that is. And if you want to turn off the glasses, just swipe down or hit the X, I should say, and it will go back to this view. Now, Facebook works the exact same way. You just hit the plus sign, hit go live while using the app. Now, my Facebook crashes like crazy currently, so I'm unable, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you on this phone. It's been crashing like seriously crazy. But basically, you see the glasses over here, you can tap that, hit allow, and then you can do it with the glasses. Same thing, you'll double press this capture button on the top in order to get them to see the view through that. But that's how you do live streaming and also how you do your video calls with the Meta AI glasses. These things are amazing, guys. They can do so much, so fun to use as well. So I'll link them down below to pick them up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we'll see you down the road. Peace.